Okay, we're ready to start building our app. So what's the first thing we got to do? Once you get logged into Dittofi, you're going to be dropped into the workspaces. From here, this is where you're going to add the different applications that you want to build. So the first thing you're going to want to do is see this gray box that says add an app. You're going to click that box. Now, Dittofi has different templates that you can use to help speed up the development of your project. For example, for $399, you can add the CRM template. Basically, it's going to give you a full-blown CRM that you can then easily modify, and you can have a full-blown system very, very quickly if you do a template. We too are going to use a template to start building out the client portal application, but the template that we're going to start with today is the authentication template. Now, the authentication template is going to help you to get your app started without having to worry about, hey, I got to create a login page. I got to create a reset password if they forget their password. All that's going to be handled for you by this template. So all we have to do is import this into our new project. So what you do is you just highlight, move your mouse over, hit this select button, and then here we're going to name our application. So in this case, since we're building a client portal application, we're just going to simply call this client portal. Now you can rename this anything that you want, but for this demonstration purposes, we're just going to name it client portal. And then once that's done, we're going to go ahead and hit create an app. Now I'm not going to speed this up because I want you to see just in real time how long it takes to actually do this. It generally takes between 30 to 60 seconds for Dittofi to work its magic and automatically create this for you. And you're going to see here that as soon as it's done, it's going to drop us into what Dittofi calls their Studio. Now, Studio is their no-code editor that is going to allow you to start building your application visually. So as you can see here, it's already dropped us into the Studio. And from here, we can go ahead and begin creating our application. So the next part, we're actually going to show you how to get started setting up your application so that we can start working on this.